Okay, so I'm here at 5270 Los Diegos here in Clean the Lens, here with Michael. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the camera into this clean out over here. This is in the garage. I'm just going to ask you to maybe have your plumber go ahead, and I want you to put a Y. And I said, because what we want to try to do is we want to try to descale the pipe. So putting a cable with a blade through that's a little difficult. So if they replace this with a Y that sticks out, is going to be much easier for us to gain access to the sewer line. So when you put the camera in here, it goes down. That's the toilet connection there. So it goes in, makes a turn. Now you can see the cast iron. It definitely does have a little bit of rust buildup in it. It's not really, it's not the worst I've ever seen, but it does have quite a bit of buildup, okay? And this comes from that bathroom that you had a problem, and it's going to come through the next bathroom. You can see that it does have some rust buildup in it. And as it comes into the next bathroom, you see, and this is like really the worst part of the pipe. And this is probably where you had the blockage, because you can see the buildup. Now, right here is where they made the connection for that bathroom that I explained to you. Okay, so there's ABS. This is your connection to the bathroom. And you see, it's not the best of connections over here. Now, I don't know if they just used a regular mission band, a rubber band, which would be a very bad idea. You can see the cast iron's a little rough here, so hopefully they used a proper approved ABS to cast iron no-hub coupling with a steel strap, because with that kind of a coupling, which is a legal coupling, the pipe will never really sink. But you can see it's pretty rough over here, right at this connection over here. And as it goes in, as it keeps going in, you can see that then it takes a Y connection turn, and then it keeps going. See, the main thing to always remember is never to flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, any stringy stuff, just toilet paper. And it's always best to flush the toilet with the big button, not the little button, because you want to get as much water to take everything away down the line as possible. So ideally, if it would have been better if the pipe was replaced, but now the floors are all in, so the only other option at this point would be to run a cable with a blade and try to get rid of a lot of this rust as best as possible. You can see the paper is catching to the cast iron. Now, outside the house, there is a two-way clean out that would be able to clean all of this, but it wouldn't be able to clean the bathroom in question. So that's why I would like them to put in a Y fitting over here in the garage, so that we can run our cable with like a half a blade from two directions. And we definitely need to clean up the line where you had a problem with the blockage. And the only way you're going to be able to clean that is from this over here, from this Y connection. So this over here is now outside of the house. There's the two-way clean out that would be able to clean the line a certain amount, but we need a Y over here to clean this section over here, because there's a Y connection, and if you run the cable straight back from here, you're not going to be able to clean this line out. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and stop the recording over here.